Hey girl, welcome to the channel. My name is Larry, Glam Larry Lawrence Laurence. We are in our shop our closet season, okay? And into this IKEA PAX closet tour. Girl, I have so many clothes. There are still tags on my things. So that is why I'm in my shop my closet season 1. I have things I have not worn. I have things that I forget about. I just accumulate stuff, and that's just not where I want to be right now. I want to really use the things that I have. I want to get more creative with my pieces. And girl, have you seen the prices on all the things? All the things are expensive. What has helped me a lot in ways is Pinterest. But what I got from Pinterest is I love the layout of everything, right? And I feel like the layout of Pinterest helps coming up with outfits better. So I kind of thought, why don't I do that with my closet? And that is how I found the Wearing app. There's a lot of closet apps, but Wearing to me has been the best because Wearing is, from what I can tell, it's one of the few closet apps where you don't have to purchase things. You can just literally use it. Like some of the apps I was looking at, you had up to 100 pieces to add to the app and then you had to pay. With Wearing, you can just add your stuff, and that is exactly what I wanted. What I love about the Wearing app is that you can make it a public profile. So it's really a platform where you can see other people's pieces, you can see other people's closets, you can kind of get ideas. People actually sell their pieces from their closet, so it's really great for that. For me, my closet is privated because I'm just trying to get it together. There's nothing I really want to sell yet. That's just like a good thing that I like about it. All I do is click upload items. It goes to my camera roll, and then I just take pictures of the pieces. When you do take the pictures of the pieces, you want to make sure that you lay them out in a real nice manner, because this is gonna be like your showcase for your closet, and you want to be able to actually really see what your pieces look like. So I might lay out the sleeves really nice. I'll get out all the wrinkles. I'll press out all the weird stuff. Like I don't want to have to guess and wonder, is there a slit there? Are there 4 buttons? Is there a zipper? I want to actually see everything. So that is one tip. Also, what I would say is make sure you're taking your pictures on a contrasting surface. So if you have a white top, don't take a picture on a white countertop. You want to make sure there's nothing in the vicinity of your item, because the Wearing app, it will remove the background. But for example, I had like my ring light stand was in the corner and it didn't cut that out. You want to make sure there's nothing in the vicinity, otherwise it will end up in your photo. You can always delete the photo that you take and re-add, but just so that you get it right the first time, make sure you're on a good contrasting background, nothing in the vicinity of your photo. You should be good to go. Already kind of guesses what piece you have. Here, I'm looking at a blazer. When I took the picture, it already recognized that it's a blazer. It's navy, it's got a little bit of gray. It put tags on it for me. The Wearing app automatically categorizes it for you. This sequin skirt, it already recognized that it was a skirt. So I didn't have to, pick what it was. It already recognized it was a maxi skirt. It's got the extra so you can put a little like razzle dazzle on it, you know what I'm saying? But it does the hard stuff for you. And then what I also like is it can do outfits. Oh my God. Wow. That is a game changer for me because I'm really good at coming up with outfits, but sometimes when I've worn a piece like 3-4 times, I'm kind of like, I don't know how else to wear it. Cause I'm very much that girl wants to wear her pieces, okay, in different ways every time. I'm not a costume girl. You're gonna click outfits, you're gonna tap the blue button, and you're gonna go create an outfit. And what it's going to do is bring you to this blank page. You're just gonna go up, you're gonna add items. So it doesn't like build the outfit for you, but it gives you a visual. So let's say that I really wanna wear this fatigue top. For tops, I don't have my whole closet in here, so I don't really have a lot of tops to like pick from. So girl, I'm just saying it's gonna be ugly. Okay, what I put together is gonna be ugly. Brown satin top. I'm gonna stack them on top of this, but you can like separate the pieces and then you can like put it on top. You can kind of see, okay, that's what it looks like. You can change the layering of the pieces. If you do like the outfit, you can save it. I love the Wearing app because honestly, it's helped me save time. It's helped relieve some stress in getting dressed, and it's helping me use all of my pieces. So girl, get you a closet app, get you the Wearing app, okay? She has changed my life. I am having a ball. I feel like my closet is a Pinterest. It is wonderful. And I'm a girl that every time I went out, I had to buy something. Every time I do something, I gotta buy an outfit. And the Wearing app has helped me not buy clothes. I haven't bought clothes in over 2 months. And I haven't bought clothes about 2 months. And that's because of the Wearing app, because it's like, girl, you got clothes at home. Now, let's get to the IKEA closets. I've had my IKEA closet for about a year. I've had this closet and she's everything. She is as wonderful as they say she is, okay? I used to think that people were just like hyping it up because, you know, people be doing that, but she's everything. This is my girl. This is like my happy place. Yes, I love this inanimate object. I love my closet. So I'm gonna give you guys a background on like the price point. I'm gonna tell you why I picked the closet construction that I wanted. This is the closet, this is her, this is she. I'm gonna start with this corner piece. It's actually just an IKEA corner PAX insert. Honestly, so many closet tours, I've never seen people have the corner piece. I just see them have like the shelves, but to see this was super helpful because my beauty room is kind of small. It's not very big. This is a big space saver for me. It's got 2 racks. These are all of my blazers, all of my leather jackets. Down here, all my dresses and all of my skirts. And I also like it because I can see everything. I also absolutely love the shelving here. I got this shelf right here to put my purses away because I wanted to have enough space for all of my bags. So these bags are kind of on display. I absolutely love this. What you can do is you can actually customize it for your shelf height. So I bought like 4 different shelves because I knew the bottom shelf I wanted to put some of my like larger handbags. That's what I like about the IKEA PAX closet is you can customize, you can customize, you can customize. Also, what I loved was the different price points. So girl, I feel like every time I see somebody talk about this IKEA PAX closet, they are saying, I spent 5 grand, I spent 10 grand, I spent 20 grand. I mean, they are saying all these very large numbers, okay? And the economy, she is economying right now, okay? My whole closet setup, I wanna say was about $1,300, which I was shocked. And I've used, it's a lot of space. It is so much space. People with these closets will make you think you have to spend the 5-10 grand for the huge closet. No, girl, I spent $1,300 and it holds all of my stuff. Now, I am a person who swaps out my clothes for the season. So all of these is like my autumn, winter pieces. All of my summer, spring stuff is stored away in storage. So this works perfectly for me. But I think if you're somebody who you keep all of your clothes out, you might want to get a slightly bigger closet. You don't have to do the $5,000 closet. And I am just so happy with the space that I have. I have 4 drawers. I got the set that comes with 4 drawers. And I didn't think it was going to be enough, I'm gonna be honest with you. But then, girl, all of my shirts, all of my tops, this drawer is so deep. Like you see, it is so deep and far back and down, and it fits so many things. So that's why I absolutely love about PAX is like it's a space saver. I didn't think this was gonna be enough. I thought I would still have to put stuff in storage, but it's so deep and I still have room to grow. And then on top of that, I've got more of my fancy tops. I can put so many more things in here. And down here I have my sweats and I've got some other things up in here. So I absolutely love these drawers. This top area is really just for like display and like my larger handbags. Like I have this handbag here, but I also have like my like taller handbags back here. But there's so much room like back here. Like it's so much room. So I could still put so many more handbags here. Here are some of like my smaller ones and my wallets. I have my hats in the corner, but even here, there's still room. There's room to grow. Up here, it's still customizable. So like, if I wanted to like all of a sudden decide I actually want another shelf up here, I could put another shelf here. Or if I decide I want more room down here, I can do that. It's very easy to do that with these closets. Girl, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love seeing my stuff on display, because in my closet that I shared with my husband, like everything had to be put away because we're both in there. But this, I just love it. We're on to the next section of the closet. This is really my favorite part of my closet. Here she is. This part of my closet is where my jewelry, my perfume, my pants are held. So what there's so many favorite things I love about this closet. I love that it has like a top hanging rack up here, because it doesn't just serve the purpose of holding like all my jewelry and all that stuff. I can still hang clothes up here. Here you'll see that you got a glass top. I just like it because it's just cute, you know what I mean? I just like how I can see everything underneath. But yeah, the glass top is very, very sturdy. I have all of my perfumes here. Here is my jewelry stash. My sunglasses are on display. So I was having a really difficult time with my sunglasses because they were just like in a bag. Oh, it's so ghetto. Would like go weeks, months without wearing sunglasses or a certain pair because I just literally didn't know I had it. So I love this section right here. I think it's for your sunglasses. It's really for whatever you want, but I have all of my sunglasses on display, and it just helps me a lot with actually wearing my stuff, because a lot of times I feel like you don't wear all of your clothes or all your pieces because you don't see them. They're just not there. My favorite section here is this. I don't even know what this is. I think it's just a jewelry holder. I don't know. Y'all let me know, because I don't know. I lose my earrings so much. I lay them around the house. I be losing them. I also lose them because I never had anywhere to put them. It's actually stopped me from losing my earrings. I used to lose them all the time, but I don't know. It's like I like seeing them on display like this, and it just gives me a little like, ooh, look how organized I am. This has actually trained me to put my stuff back, and it's helped me realize when I don't have pieces because they're out on display. So there have been times where I open this up and I'm like, wait a minute, I don't know where these earrings are. These earrings aren't here. They're missing. And then I actually like sit there and look for them. A lot of times I would be missing jewelry and wouldn't even know it because I don't see it. They're just thrown somewhere. My necklaces and stuff organized. This is probably my favorite piece. It's a piece that I got from the thrift store. It's like this costume jewelry brand. It's from London. It was a really expensive piece back in the day, but I absolutely love this chain, my different like bracelets in here and stuff like that. I've got my watches back here. I have this like cuff. It's like my mom's cuff. It's like a vintage cuff. And it's also just got different sections here where I can keep all of my jewelry. So I try to group everything together, like all my gold pieces together. I group like my silver pieces together. And then this back here is just some knickknack stuff, but I can still fill everything. I would say the next thing that I love, y'all, I love this. This is a pants hanger. You see how many, you guys don't even see anything. There's more jeans over here. You see all the pants that are here? Girl, I love the fact that my jeans are hanging on this thing. It just, I love it. I just think it, and then she gone. And then, bring her out. I will say, if you are like, I don't want to get every single piece, this is my favorite piece. I would say if you want to start building your closet, you should start with this piece because this piece does so much for you. This is my fave. For my shoes on both sides of the closet, those are not PAX. Those are actually some like Target bookshelves. And I'll make a comment about this. I did have these shelves before I bought the closet, okay? And I was going to do the whole Target closet thing. Now that I have this PAX closet, they do not compare. These Target shelves are so wobbly. All I can do is put my shoes on there. And I was watching a lot of those videos about people like making the Target closet dupe for IKEA, and it was a lot of reinforcing that was required because girl, these shelves can't hold nothing. This PAX closet is furniture. Okay, once you put her down, you will need several people to help you pick her back up. Okay, she is furniture. Okay, and she is sturdy. She has a lot of storage, a lot of different components you can put in here to just revolutionize your closet. This, in conjunction with the wearing app, has made shopping my closet so much fun. Like now when I get dressed, my go-to is not, oh, I need to run to Zara, oh, I need to buy this. My go-to is, let me open my wearing app, let me see what I have, and let me put something together. So girl, thank you for joining me for this IKEA PAX tour slash how I'm going through my whole no buy shopping my closet season. Let me know if you guys are gonna try this app. Let me know if you're interested in the PAX closet. Now, I know for me, I was not interested in this closet because I thought it was super expensive, but now that I know that I can do this for a relatively decent price, like, girl, my world has changed. If you're into lifestyle, fashion, or beauty content, make sure you subscribe, okay? Make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you like, and I will see you later, girl. Bye.